Hi guys, another car that we just finished. I think that will be the first one that I published from Nissan X-trail. That's relatively young model, so it's a pre-current generation. In this car we just done a left foot accelerator parking brake that was converted from the foot operated by hand operated, and Abiloader and tailgate, electric tailgate. So I'll turn the Abiloader on, open the tailgate, let it go. It is a very heavy chair. It's a 30 kilogram chair with power assist wheels, and it looks like Abiloader can handle it reasonably well. In Nissan X-trail, because the boot of the car is very high, we can deliver the wheelchair very close. We can deliver it even closer than we did in this particular instance, but we definitely need to leave some space between the front door and the wheelchair to make it easier to roll it in and out. And yeah, so I'll send it back in. See how it goes. The rear seats on this model can be shifted forward, so we managed to leave them on almost back position. It's just enough for this wheelchair. Yeah, so it's all the way inside, and in this case we can even just leave the joystick without removing from the wheelchair. It just fits. It looks a little bit weird that it's actually beyond the shape of the rear of the car, but you can easily close the tailgate and you'll see that it does work. It's hard to see through, but just believe me. Okay, so that was Nissan X-trail 2020, I think, model.